Christine from Walt Institute. Now that's Women Authentic Leadership Training Institute. Now I'm known for not getting stuck in the tough stuff and bouncing forward. I'm a former elite athlete, educator and performance coach. Now, do you work in STEM and find that you get stuck at times and you feel like things are getting demanding and things get challenging and really hard? Or you have a setback, someone says no, someone rejects something, something comes back, and then you start to feel down. You get that feeling of being, I'm not good enough, there's no need to keep going, it's too hard, it's too big. And sometimes when we're feeling like that, one of the best things we can do is to be able to acknowledge it and go, yeah, okay, sometimes it is pretty tough. And then the key point, the thing that will make the biggest difference to feeling rejected, to feeling down, to feeling like there's nowhere to go, to feeling like you're just stuck in the mud, the one thing that you can do to make the most difference is to strengthen your resilience. Now, when we strengthen our resilience, we're talking about not just bouncing back, but being able to bounce forward. Now, when we bounce forward, it takes it to another level. It takes our thinkings, it takes our actions all to another level, and it allows us to keep rising as the authentic leader that we really are. So if you feel like you're getting stuck, you feel like there's no way out, you feel like things are just getting too hard and you're not sure how to cope with the demands and everything piling up all the time, and you want to learn more about how to bounce forward with resilience, then we're going to be in Auckland, New Zealand for one day only, a one-day workshop on the 28th of September this year, 28th of September 2019. We have got a full-day workshop where you can learn how to be able to bounce forward and get out of being stuck in the mud all the time. Learn how to strengthen that resilience so you can keep going when times get tough. One day workshop only with us here at Walt Institute on the 28th of September this year. If you want to find out more, if you want to book in for it, then comment below, hit the link below and get yourself along to that one day only workshop and learn how you can bounce forward and strengthen your resilience so you can be the authentic leader that you're destined to be.